hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. In this video, let's see a simple numerical to find both speed and velocity. Okay, so if you observe here, the numerical is so lengthy because all the details are given. Only thing what you have to find is find the speed and velocity. Okay, now let's read the question and understand it so that half of the problem you can solve very easily. Okay, and then rest of the problem idea also you will get how to solve. Don't get scared simply by seeing the data which is given in the question. It will be very easy to solve. Okay, understood? If you don't understand, if you read once, read 2-3 times. Even 6th standard students also can solve this problem. It will be very easy. Okay, now let us start reading the question. A car is traveling from city A to city B. How many cities are there? 2 cities are there. A car is traveling between A and B. Okay, it has traveled 250 km in 3 hours. Due east, then turned right. Traveled another 150 km in 1.5 hours and then turned left. Traveled for 200 km in 1 hour. Finally, turned left and traveled 150 km in 1.5 hours. Find the speed and velocity. Now, how many distances are given, how many times are given, and how many directions are given. If you observe, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 distances are given, isn't it? Now, let's simply draw a diagram so that it will be easy for us to understand how to solve this. Okay, let's do it. City A, I am just taking one mark because the car is traveling from here and traveling towards right side. You know, right? While learning displacement we have learned the directions. From point of starting towards right you have to take for direction of east. Okay. How much distance? 250 km. And how much time? 3 hours. Okay, I'm just writing here only 3 hours. And then after traveling this 250 km, the car has taken a turn. Which side? Towards right, isn't it? Right side. From east, if you travel right side, what direction you will get? You should know. How much distance? 150 km and 1.5 hour. Towards right, you are here. Then towards right means this side, isn't it? So towards south. I will draw with some other color so that it will be easy. Towards the south. Then learn and write the distances and time what they have given correctly and learn the directions properly. Otherwise you may go wrong. Let's write this is 150 km, 1.5 hour. After this you are here. Now from here, in which direction? Again we have to read. And then turned left. From south, if you are traveling left, which side you will go? You have to go again east direction, isn't it? 200 km in 1 hour. If you are here, you are going left, means like this only, isn't it? Towards east again. I am taking other color. So like this, it is 200 km in 1 hour. Observe clearly. That's why I am writing with different colors. And then finally turned left and traveled 150 km in 1.5 hours. Again left. From here left means which side he is traveling? Like this only, isn't it? 150 km in 1.5 hour. He is traveling towards north actually. Isn't it? Taking yellow color. So 150 kilometer in 1.5 hour. Understood? Now finally this is the point where we have city B. Okay? Now if you have to find speed, you need not to consider all these directions. Okay? Simply what we have to do, we just need to add the distances traveled by time taken. Understood? Let's see. Speed is equal to what is the formula? Distance by time. Then speed is denoted with letter V equal to distance S by time T. Okay. Now V is equal to, what is the distance travelled? Add 250 plus 150 plus 200 plus 150. Total how much? 300, 400, 700 plus 50, 750, isn't it? Add it. We have 750 kilometer divided by what is the time taken. Time also you just need to add 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, 3. Again this is also 4 plus 3, 7 hour. Okay, you just need to simplify this. Understood? 750 by 7 kilometer per hour. If you want you can simplify this, otherwise leave it like this also, no problem. Then next they are asking you to find velocity as well. What is velocity formula? Velocity is equal to net displacement. So here you have to find displacement by time travelled. That means time taken. Net displacement. How do you find net displacement? For this we need the directions. Okay. Now A is the initial point, B is the final point. The straight line joined between initial and final points. This is the straight line, isn't it? Now up to here you know it is 250 kilometer. Now here what is this distance? If you observe this path, how it is? It is a rectangle, isn't it? See, this is 150 and this is also 150. If this is 200, this also must be 200, isn't it? Understood? So what is the displacement now? A to B straight line 250 plus 200. So only 450 kilometer is the displacement. Understood? I hope everybody understood this. V bar, because it is a vector quantity, net displacement, that means S bar by T. Let's substitute. Okay. V bar equal to 450 divided by, now what is the time you will take? Will you take only this 3 hour and this 1 hour? No, isn't it? He has travelled by taking how much time? Total time you have to consider even for velocity. So total 7 hours you have to take. Understood? So V bar will be equal to 450 by 7 kilometer per hour. Understood? If you simplify, what value you get small, you just let me know in the comment section. Okay, understood how to find speed and velocity in the same problem? So, after finding this velocity, what is the direction also you have to say, isn't it? Now, let's see what is the direction. Now, if you observe, this is the place where he has started from A towards right. He has traveled, isn't it? Now, from origin towards right means what is the direction it is? Towards east only, isn't it? Whatever the directions he has traveled in between, we need not to bother about it. Only from initial position to final position, what is the direction? That is what we have to consider. So the direction is towards east direction. So as we have here different distances and different times, this finding of speed and velocity is nothing but average speed and average velocity for us. Understood? Now, only if they have given one particular portion in this problem, that simply we say speed or velocity. If they have given 3-4 portions, different directions, then it will be average speed or average velocity. I hope everybody understood this. Please like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.